Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Game Guy, and today's video is obviously going to be the unboxing. Not really anything big, but the unboxing for week 5, which was the week of the full tees. Obviously I only picked up one tee because the others didn't really interest me. I did sort of like the natural colorway in the sort of telephone or like the phone booth sort of tee. However, it just didn't really pique my interest to the point where I'd be purchasing it. So mine arrived on Monday. They're getting sooner and sooner, literally. I'm getting like the emails saying they've been shipped as soon as I purchase the item or within the day. And yeah, more recently my items just been arriving on Mondays, whereas it used to be a Tuesday or Wednesday when my items would typically arrive. As always, let me know down below if your items have arrived from week 5. If they have, what did you order or what did you cop? What colorway, what size, or did you go for an accessory? Other than that, are you stocking, rocking, or reselling them as always? I know more recently that the prices of tees and things have just been plummeting. Comparing the fall tees to like the summer tees that came out, the prices are just completely different, and the full tees are like basically falling near retail or are closing into that sort of point. I know that a couple of the tees are still about 60 to 70 pounds, but a majority of them have just completely flopped. So yeah, let's unbox that, and yeah, that'll pretty much close off the video. Also, I forgot to say, let me know if your items have not arrived yet. If they haven't arrived yet, why? Or are they out for delivery at some point, or have you got your confirmation order yet? Okay, so obviously, one item, literally I copped the Remember tee, and yeah, that was it pretty much, so there's not much else to say. Obviously it was quite an easy checkout, and I know that last week for a lot of other people in the EU, it was nice smooth checkout. I know that the US didn't experience the same sort of thing. I know that they're having lag, they're being dropped back to the home page. Just everything that went on for like the first week of Supreme or week 1 of this season, what happened was happening to people. Also, like I said in yesterday's video, I just want to say thank you for the support on that video and the last couple of videos. The live cop got like 8,000 views or so and over 200 likes, and the Comme des Garçons one has over like 20,000 views now, which is just mind-blowing. So yeah, I massively appreciate it, and let's just unbox this. So obviously I am still terrible at opening packages, but okay, right. I will purchase something at some point that will make it easier to open packages, okay? I will do something like that. There we go. Right, so, okay, so we actually did get a sticker pack for once, which I'm happy with. I didn't get a sticker pack with the Comme des Garçons because I know a lot of people were like giving them in sort of like a leaked way to sort of tell us what was coming during that week. But we got the telephone box one or the phone booth one and the Eternal sticker as well. That's stuck, but yeah, we got those two, which I'm happy with. You know, it's another sticker pack to add onto the collection. And onto the tee, I wish there was a bouncy ball, but there's not, because I don't think they're going to be giving out bouncy balls at this point now, but they were doing them sort of for last week, which was like week 4's items, so you never know. Anyway, obviously I picked up the Remember tee, black colorway. I just think it really makes like the piece pop, I guess is the best way to say it. I just think that it makes the piece, it emphasizes on the piece and makes it look really nice. At some point in time, if I'm going to keep this one, probably, you'll probably see me wearing it during a video at some point if I'm going to keep it, because I do like it, also because of the fact of the dog that is on it. I just like dogs in general, so yeah, and it says remember your friends on there, so I like that part to the piece. I like that sort of side to this piece. I just think that makes it look really nice, and yeah, it definitely pops a bit better than the Mona Lisa piece did when that was with the sort of black colorway. I just think that this blends in really well and the contrast is great on it, so yeah. That's going to finish off this video. If you enjoyed it, that'd be much appreciated. Other than that, as I said, comment down below if your items have arrived, whether you're going to be stocking, rocking, or selling them or reselling them. And yeah, that will end off this video. I know a lot of people have said, please just take the item out of the bag, but sometimes I keep pieces until certain points in time and then I'll rip them open and wear them, and other points I will instantly just sell them and you'll see them in the video and they will be gone on the same day. That happened with the Love tee. I kept that I think for like 8 months, and then I finally ripped it out of its bag and wore it, just because of the fact that I was just like, there's no point holding on to it any longer because I wasn't going to sell it in the end. I just was going to wear it at some point, and so I did. So this one, what I'd be kept until Crep City, where I'll sell it at that point in time, which is like October 22nd or something. or I will wear it before then, or I will wear it to Crep City. Either this one or the Empire State Tee, one of those two will be ripped open and worn to Crep City. So yeah, that's gonna end off the video anyway. Thank you for watching. Live cop tomorrow will just be, I will just be going for the beanie or the Nike beanie. Nothing else really grabs my interest. I might try for the blanket, depending on its price, because I still haven't seen any prices yet. If it's like 70 to 80, I might actually go for it. I measured out like the sizing of it before, and it looked to be like pretty much massive, like 1.62 m or so, and 1.32 m. So when I measured it out, it was like huge. So it'd be a nice piece to pick up. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for the live cop. Thanks for watching. Peace.